Ernie here with Your Home Solar. You know, we work very hard to make sure that our customers are educated in their solar investment. As part of that goal, we've decided to create a series of videos just really focusing on commonly asked questions that we hear. All right, guys, so on this next one, as we're going through our series of commonly asked questions, another one is that we hear a lot is, how long is this system going to last? And just like everything else in life, it seems like not all solar systems or solar installations are created equally. Your lower end products, a cheap battery may only last you a couple years. They're not going to last long. A cheap solar system, the panels and everything, you're probably going to get less than 10 years on that. However, if you use a high quality installer and high quality products, your battery should last well over 10 or 20 years, should last a good long period of time, and your solar system should last well over 25 to 35 years. These systems, when they're installed well, you're going to get a great deal of time out of it, and the quality of install is going to make a really big difference when it comes to how long your system is going to last. And that's just because, without getting too heavily into the technical stuff, a quality system is going to have better connections. Everything is going to be done to manufacturers' specifications. The people are going to be certified that do it, so it's going to be done right. And then on top of that, we only use the best products. So with a quality battery system, you're going to end up with well over 10 to 20 years, well over that. In a good quality battery system. Whereas with a quality solar panel system, you should be somewhere between 25, 35 or more. Once again, a battery system, if quality done, should last well over 10, 20 years. A solar system should last well over 25 to 35 years. The good thing about these products is, even when they get past that 35-year time span, it's not like they're all going to die at once. It's going to be a panel here or a panel there. You're not going to have to replace the entire system. You can just upgrade it over time. Quality of installation makes all the difference in the world. Just making sure that system is installed up to manufacturer's recommendations. So as always, guys, I hope this helps. Thanks for taking the time to tune in. We hope this video has helped you in better understanding your solar investment. And as always, we here at Your Home Solar wish you many sunny days.